welcome to another video. Today's song is on Japanese Denim. We got some picking in here. And then also we're going to use bar chords for this. So might be a little difficult depending on your level. So let's get started. So for the main parts of the song, we're going to use an E flat major 7. The alternate to that, you guys can just use the E flat. Okay, so I'm going to use the E flat major 7. Then we're going to go to D flat. Okay. And then from there, we're going to use an F minor 7. You can also use the pinky just to make an F minor. The song has a lot of 7s in here, so the F minor 7, and then we're going to use a G sharp minor 7, and then a D flat 9. Okay, for the D flat 9, we're not playing the top string and the bottom string. Okay, so again, those chords: E flat major 7, D flat, F minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and a D flat 9. Alright, so here's a little quick example of the strum pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basically, without the bass line that I played, strum pattern just goes down, 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 down. So that one, I know you guys might ask me a question about it, but yeah, you're just playing these strings here. You're not playing the top and the bottom. So I'm actually using my thumb to mute this top string. Okay, so you guys can do that too. But that is basically the strum pattern. Now we're gonna add in the. Okay, so that one there, I'll have the tabs on the screen. So it's gonna go down, 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 then. And then when you hit this, you're gonna hit. You're actually gonna go to the next chord, which the chord is gonna be D flat. So. Do it again. And then we're gonna hit the F minor 7. So down, down. And we're not gonna do it for this one. We're just gonna go G sharp minor 7, then D flat 9. Okay. So we'll try that again. I'll go as slow. And I'll still have the tabs on the screen, so it goes down, then So also for that D flat 9, if it is hard, don't forget you can do just a D flat. Okay. Now the next thing that we need to learn is the bridge. I'll teach you guys the chords. So the chords we're going to use is G, 9, or 7. This is on the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go down to a G flat. Then we're going to go up 2 frets to an A flat. Then we're going to take off these 2 fingers, the G sharp 9 or 7, and then we're going to use D flat 9 or D flat. Okay. So what was it? G 9 or 7, G flat, A flat, G sharp 9 or 7, and a D flat 9. So here's an example of it. They're very simple. You guys can actually do the same strum pattern if you want, or you can just add in. There it goes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so very simple that one. All I did was add in 2 strums, but because it kind of sounds the same as the. So you can just add in more to make it sound more loud, I guess. So 1, 2, 3. Then A flat. G sharp 9 or 7, and a D flat 9. Then it just goes right back into the E flat major 7. Don't forget, I'll have the chords down below so you guys can check it out. I'll just break it down. But that is the chords, easy strum pattern you guys can follow. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.